In 2020, America's greatest enemy came to our shores and attacked us at a microscopic level. For years, America has allowed other countries to manufacture our strategic protective gear. We learned that we couldn't trust our global partners, and we allowed America's heroes to fight without the proper defenses. It's time to step up in a way only America knows how. It's time to build giant, gleaming, state-of-the-art factories that will change the world, that will protect us now and in the future. At Armbrust American, we're doing our part. In less than 6 months, we built the second largest mask factory in the United States, capable of producing millions of surgical masks every day. By innovating, our masks exceed the highest possible safety standards with FDA Listed Surgical Protection and independent lab-verified ASTM Level 3 defenses. Through a combination of automation, vertical integration, and American grit, we can make masks better than any overseas supplier. Our Beyond Clean Texas facility can convert American-made polypropylene into surgical protective masks, ensuring a future that keeps us safe without foreign dependence. America doesn't want to bail out. It wants to get back to work. This year we've created hundreds of jobs, but working together, we can create millions. We need to bring manufacturing back to America. We need a new future where factories are opened here instead of closed. In 2021, we are breaking ground on a new facility. Using the same tech that makes our masks, we are expanding into home air filtration and N95 respirators. I hope you join us in this journey, because we can't do this alone. The truth is, America works best when we work together. So let's get America protected. Let's get America back to work. And let's do it by innovating on American soil.